Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to outline an image with red in Canva. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just click on the image. Okay, now go over to edit. Click over here on magic grab. Make sure you have selected click. Now click on the image and select grab. Okay. Now again click on the image. Go over to edit. Scroll down and select shadows. Now here select outline. Keep it at 8. Click on this color icon and select red. Decrease its intensity to 80. That's it. You're good to go. That's how you can add red outline to an image in Canva. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.